We out in the motherfuckers. Oh shit, hold up. Yo, shut up. Why this little bro always talking? Little bro always. Can I switch my shoes? I brought the wrong shoes. And we about to be in a blizzard. Bro, shut up. Them baggy pants, boy. Soulja Boy cranked that pant wearing so. Let me drive. Male driver. So that's a +1. You feel me? Dang. Dang, my feet are cold. Bro, this Maine weather is unbelievable. But I still gotta keep up the content for y'all, you feel me? But stay tuned, man. Stay tuned. I'm moonwalking in the Calabasas. Hey, yo. Hey, yo. Hey, yo. It's freezing? Crocs? That's... Ah! Yo. Bro, my joint ain't in, you feel me?
You gotta try this one.
Cause I never you feel me? Where we about to slide, bro? We about to slide, bro. Where we about to slide, man? Where we about to slide, man? At Walmart. Trying, you feel me? Put it in the vlog. Come on, bro. We out, bro. We out. All right, bet. I'm about to slide, bro. You feel me? Cruising down the street. What up, bro? Hey, man. You see me, man. Posted up with the big new whip. Who this? Ta. Where the party's at, man? Where the party's at? I'm about to pull up on y'all. It's yours truly. Oh shit, new hat? Yeah. Grainy hat. Not trying to see on to the rest. You feel me? You see me post it up. You know, at your local store. This joint, it can go reverse. Let me, you feel me? You got it. You got it. Put a little off there. That's how you feeling, bro? What up, y'all? As you can see, it's about to get real. A few more hours. With the wrong shoes. I know y'all about to be calling me in the comments, but it's cool. She brought us, you feel me? Get some groceries. Shout out to her. My feet are frozen. But yeah, man, this is made for y'all. Anybody that been like, you know, that's like not up north. This is really what it be like. It get real. It's freezing. And I'm really about to run, but I'm not trying to slip. I'm not trying to slip. So I'm gonna see y'all when I'm back in my room.
Smells like a little boy.
Nah, he trying to play. Cause he think he got the weight up on me cause he play lineman and stuff. What you gotta say to the fam, bro?
Nothing to say. Nothing need to be said.
This man
You're
from
small.
This man.
What did you say, nigga?
This man from Canada, bro.
Was it the YouTube?
Yeah. Canadian beef daddy. Look at that. What's good, you? What's good, family? Last night, came back home, dropped off the groceries, went straight to sleep. Woke up to this. Shout out to the guy out there. Shout out because it's too cold right now. I ain't gonna lie. But this is about to be the end of today's video because I'm about to upload this one today. But yo, like, peep this. So tell me how y'all feeling today. Like, what was y'all first thought when I said I was about to start YouTube? Like, was it like good feelings or? Cause I ain't gonna listen to all the critics saying, "Oh, he ain't gonna blow it," cause everything that's good takes time. So I'm staying down to the process, but yeah, I ain't gonna lie. This is a journey. I'm excited for it. I'm excited to start posting some crazy stuff or just some vlogs. But yeah, that's all I have for today. I hope y'all day is going good, man. If you have a dream, man, go chase it. Go chase it. No one's holding you back but you. Yes, you. No one's holding you back. So go do it, man. You know, it was during like COVID. I said I want to do a backflip. Never did a backflip in my life. People were like, don't do it. You're going to land on your neck. Still tried it. And I learned how to do a backflip during COVID. So you never know, man. But that's all for today's vlog. I don't know. I may post like longer vlogs, but that's going to be like during when I excel through it. Because I don't know how people feel about, you know, some people may like short videos. Some people may like the longer videos, you know, watch when you're doing your homework or whenever you out. But yeah, that's going to wrap it up. And I'm about to eat, chill, stay inside. Because as y'all can see, it ain't no joke. But yeah, I appreciate y'all. And stay tuned for the next one.